for tuning in to watch how to make a demagnetizer. These are the items you're going to need: 4 neodymium magnets. Well, let's do a picture. First, you're going to need a bottle cap, and then your 4 magnets, an aluminum rod of your choice of size, diameter, and length. And you're also going to need a water cap bottle to fit inside the Coke bottle. And I use high temperature glue, and this is what it looks like when you have the magnets placed in the soda cap, and then you put the water bottle cap on top and glue that in as well. And then I took my Dremel and cut away the soda bottle cap, and I just cut around the bottom edge, filled the sides away, and let's see here from there if I can get the bottom of it off. Pop the bottom of it off with a X-Acto knife. And here it is right here. And then I just cleaned up any loose pieces of hook it up to the drill press and hold your whatever item you want to demagnetize underneath it, and the alternating currents from the alternating magnetic fields are what demagnetize it. And important note, you want to place 2 of the magnets north-south and then the other 2 opposite.